All right, guys, here she is. A super rare, real deal, fully restored factory XS29 X9 triple black Dodge Charger RT with that 440 motor. Now that exterior, it's going to show some straight body lines, insinuating from the front to the back with that super black gloss paint on there. I mean, even the headlight doors will start off in the front. You'll get a glimpse of just how nice this baby is. Of course, she's not perfect. She does show some imperfections, but she's still looking good at this age. The headlight doors, they've been upgraded to electronics. So you just open that switch and those babies open up. On the side, you'll notice those aftermarket wheels on there. The American Racing Magnum 17-inch staggered. General G-Max tires, front and back. I mean, you can barely see it right in there, but if we can get a glimpse, you'll check out those Wilwood disc brakes all the way around. 4-way disc brakes, drilled and slotted rotors, and that awesome RT red stripe right on the outside. I mean, it is my favorite part. It really breaks up all of that black outside of the exterior of this car. You'll notice some imperfections like I was talking about before. Right here on the top, we will be correcting that. This will be going to the paint shop, getting this baby looking really nice on the outside. So let's hop over to the inside. All right, let's take a look at the interior. First off, look at that door. It closes really nice, especially for the age of this car. The door panels on this car are really great condition. And once I noticed, look how smooth that window rolls down. It's really cool, really nice, comfortable interior. The steering wheel, yes, it is a little bit crooked. I could have straightened it out and made it look like it's straight, but it's not. The car does drive straight. Steering wheel's a little bit off. I'm thinking that it's an alignment thing. Take off the center cap, probably be able to spin that steering wheel and make it straight. Horn does still work. You guys will notice that when we take this car for a drive in a little bit, so don't go anywhere. Okay, this gauge cluster up here, Marshall gauges, 6 gauges over there, looks really nice. We do have some aftermarket switches on here for the headlights. We will be taking that out and replacing those with the factory ones. Now, these switches over here, my favorite part, looks really cool, like nitrous, but ignition switch and our fuel pump. You hear that baby kick right in. Then you'll go ahead and press this button right here. It says engine start on it, and it'll actually start the engine. So it's really nice. The center console has some more carbon fiber that drips into it. Look really, really nice. The 727 Torque Flight automatic transmission with those 350 gears in there with the sure grip. So when you hit that baby, both tires will spin. The interior really looks like it's in nice condition, almost like it was installed yesterday. One of these cool features about this, thought there was a rip, just a little bit of dust on the seat right there, two-tone. So it's black on black, and you'll get a better glimpse of the color back here. It's really nice, and I'll tell you why. Because you ever get into a car in the summertime with those leather seats in there, man, they get really, really hot. Your back sticks to them, just uncomfortable. But a great view. I mean, I really feel like I'm in the Fast and Furious movie. Got my arm hanging out the window. Really, really nice experience inside. But enough of me talking. Let's pop that hood and see what this baby's all about. All right, guys, let's see what we got underneath this hood. There we are, the iconic 440 motor. All right, now that baby does have an 800 CFM carburetor on there, MSD Coil, Wilwood Master Cylinder, Oversized Radiator, and of course, it is a period correct 440 with an upgraded cam on there. I mean, if you look down below, you'll barely be able to see it, but it's a tubular K member from Magna Force. We got frame connectors, and if we take a step forward, you see these bars that are sticking out right here. These are actually the Magna Force Strut Magnum Force kit. Now, if we take a step back, we'll get to appreciate all of that. I mean, look how beautiful the stance of this Charger is. It does have adjustable QA1 coilovers on the front as well as the rear. This baby sounds beautiful. So enough of me really talking about this baby. The time you guys have waited for, let's go take this puppy for a ride. All right, here we go. All right, I gotta keep those babies up. All right, torque flight 727. Seems to be shifting really, really nice. Those Black Widow mufflers on this car really sound good. Yeah. All right, gauges seem to be all working really, really nice. Check those blinkers out. Left side, right side. Like I said, the car drives straight, but the steering wheel is just a little bit off. Hoping that it's just the alignment. Brakes are just a tad bit spongy. I mean, this is a big car, but we'll see if we can get these brakes bled. I forget that in these cars you really don't have any headrest, so you got a decent amount of torque in this bad boy, and it is really, really comfortable in these seats. Got some storage here, center console, got your phone and whatnot in there. I don't believe any of the air works. They are a little tough to push, but who needs air conditioning when you got your manual air conditioning windows right here? Lock these babies back in. Let's see if we can catch up to one of these cars with this 440 and take these turns. Now it does have a little bit of body roll, but I will tell you, it doesn't have any twisting. You can feel that going through. Really nice and tight. I do like that. Got a good view in here. I mean, we got plenty of space for everybody in this car. Bring your buddies, hang out, put your hand out the window, enjoy the ride, get some beautiful weather. I do wish there was a radio in this car. The vents are a little bit broken. Got these babies on order already, but a radio would be real nice. I mean, the car sounds good. Not too much noise. We'll roll up this window. Not too much noise on the inside. Sounds pretty good. Try these brakes out again. All right, so the brakes work pretty good. It seems like some sort of vacuum. Might have a vacuum leak up front, but we're gonna go through this car top to bottom, in and out. Take a look at everything. Now guys, keep in mind this is a coming soon video. We still need to go through all the imperfections on this vehicle. Probably gonna take around 4 to 6 weeks to get completed, but I will tell you it will be worth the wait. In the meantime, if you guys have any questions on how to get this car or need any more information about it, feel free to give me a call at 1-800-562-7815, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And guys, I'm Chris Mazzarella, and you've been watching No Reserve Classics. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call, Chris, at 1-800-562-7815. And if you guys haven't done it already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because you never know, your dream ride could be in the next video.